Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Navita P. Thank you so much for joining me on a new video. I have a good one for you. If you are looking to save money this holiday season, you have to get this app. And before I get into this video, I just wanted to say 90% of you guys that are watching my videos are not subscribed. Please subscribe right now. I'm gonna wait. Okay, did you subscribe to my channel? I'll give you another 2 seconds. Come on, I'm talking to you. Now this video is about saving money for the holidays. I am so excited to bring this video to you. I think I've done one in the past, but there's a lot of savings here and I want to share that with you. Now, what I've been talking about here is Rakuten. Rakuten, if you have not used Ebates or Rakuten in the past, hey guys, pardon this interruption. I just wanted to ask you to please click on that link below. You will be supporting my channel. And yes, I will receive a small commission, but so will you for joining Rakuten. Thank you so much. This is a great way for me to go ahead and present it to you and explain more about Rakuten. It will help you through the holidays. It will give you a check, as they call it, a big fat check that will be cash back. You're going to get cash back on all your purchases, most of your purchases through Rakuten, especially if you use the stores. There's a list of stores that are involved. So as you can see on my screen, this is the Rakuten website, and if you click on all stores, you can see all stores available. So if I click on see all stores, you will see stores with cashback, coupons, and promo codes. Now, once you sign up with Rakuten, you will be able to see on your browser, which I will show you in a few minutes, that you won't forget. So it'll help you remember that you need to click on Rakuten in order to get the cash back. Now, please do not straight directly to the retailer's website, meaning let's say we have a retailer, Walmart. Don't want you to go directly to Walmart because you will not get the cash back. You would have to go through the Rakuten website, the app, or you would have to click on the extension. I'll show you that right now. I'm going to show you, if I go directly, let's say to Macy's.com, you're going to see a little box populate right now. It populates here because I have it logged in, I'm signed in, and I have it Rakuten set up already. So if I click on activate it, so any purchase that I make, I will get a percentage back. Now let's go back to Rakuten and take a look at the recommended stores. So there is a list of stores here, and in red it shows you the percentage you would get back. So Macy's, normally you would get 3% cash back. This instance you would be getting 6%. For Walmart, it's 5%. Right now it's 6%. Ulta Beauty, which I think is such a huge cash back, normally is 3%. You're actually getting 10%. Now keep in mind, when you see that little box pop up on your browser, you're going to notice that some of them will say coupon code. So you're on top of the cash back. It's like you're stacking. You're going to get cash back, but I'll also see you a coupon that is allowed. I'll be able to include that as well and save even more money for Christmas and for any holiday shopping or birthdays or anything that's coming up. So one of the things I want to show you here on the website is, besides all the stores, because you can take a look at the stores, if you click on sort by, a drop down will come down and will say alphabetical, so you can sort by alphabetical, popularity, or cashback. And what I like to do is click on the cashback. I want to know the most cashback I can get for a given retailer. So if I look here, top 7 vendors or retailers, whatever you like to call them, giving up to 50% cashback. So this is huge. If you are looking for the most bang for your buck, this would be it. This is giving you the most. So this is the most cash back that they're giving. There's also other retailers are getting 40%, 30%. Check off on your holiday list or browse through and see if you can get something from here. Now, if we go up on this menu, you will see it says double cash back. And this is where the sweetness is, because you're going to get double cash back and sometimes more than that. Like I said, Ulta Beauty, obviously, this is not double cashback. That's way more, because if it was double, it would be 6%. Ulta was 3% before, but honestly, they're giving you 10%. That's huge. Why not take advantage of it instead of not using it? If you know you're shopping at Ulta, you might as well use it. You're getting money back. And keep in mind, it says it here on the top, you can save money online and in store. So make sure you download the app by clicking my link below. Go ahead and do so, and if you download it and make your purchase, you will get a $40, I believe, cash back. Click on that link. You'll be saving extra money today. Here are the other retailers. There's Groupon, Overstock, QVC, eBay, because I know QVC, you're automatically saving money right off the bat because they are they sell millions of products. So you are getting an even better deal if you shop through Rakuten and get that 4% back. There's also Saks Fifth Avenue. You're getting 16% cash back. Whoa, and they were 2%. It also says at the bottom, you could see, it says coupons. Over here, it says at the bottom, a very light gray. It'll show you coupons. So Nike was 1.5%. It is now 10%. Look at Levi's was 2.5%. Now it's 10%. Forever 21 was 5%. Now it's 15% cash back. I mean, retailers are doing wonders with cash back. So why not take advantage of it? And then there's also other retailers below. Then they feature these retailers at the bottom. So it's pretty amazing if you can sign up today and start saving. And we can click on hot deals. Let's go ahead and look at that. Now this shows you the featured daily deals, and so there's other companies here that are providing you more links to click on. That's on the hot deals. And I also want to check out, there was something here a minute ago. Let's take a look. Maybe if I scroll down I'll find it. There was something here a minute ago that just said buy. Let me click on double cash back. Okay, so now you click on double cash back and you click the back button. It'll give you the option to click on, let's say, buy one get one. So let's see, this is a BOGO. So Ulta Beauty again is given a buy one get one. So depending on which product, to select not your mother's product, so specific product. And then Lowe's is also giving you buy one get one select tools. Walgreens has a special, PetSmart, Saks Fifth Avenue. So all these companies. So that's the BOGO. I'm gonna go back again and see what. Let's go back and let's click on, I'm also curious about free gifts. Are there any free gifts? Yes, there is. A Macy's 5-piece gift with any 100 NARS order. Ulta Beauty is giving free gifts. QVC is giving a $50 gift card. QVC gift card, that's pretty good. So there's a bunch of different offers. Take a look at that. And last but not least, second to last, in-store cash back. So it's telling you this ends in, I think, 7 days, and you have the opportunity to shop in-store and get cash back offers, and it'll give you the link here, show it when you go to the store. So let's click on how it works, and it says here you can earn cash back shopping in person at select stores just like you do online. Here's how you get started with earning in-store cash back. Select your offer on the Rakuten app, click on link offer, and then click on link the offer to your card, and then you'll click add to link offer. You'll pay with your linked card to earn cash back and tips for maximizing your in-store cash back. So it says relink the store offers after you shop. Linked offers are valid for a one-time purchase. So one purchase only. Easily use our app to link an offer right at the store. Linked offers are available for use instantly. Okay, so remember those rules, and once you have the app, make sure you push notifications to turn on so you'll be able to be alerted to exclusive in-store cashback deals near you. So that sounds pretty simple, and once you've downloaded the app and also have it installed on your computer, on the browser, you should be good to go. The other thing I wanted to talk about was the big fat check. That's what we talk about, big fat check. You'll be able to get a check after you reach the requirements, and you will be able to deposit the check, or you'll be able to get it in PayPal. So, you know, PayPal is better than snail mail, so I'd opt for PayPal. So that's what I wanted to show you, and you can save money today. Go ahead and click on the link below. Again, you're going to be helping me as a new YouTuber, supporting my channel, and you will also receive, I believe, a reward. I think it's around $40 when you make your first purchase. So go ahead and do so. You're going to be saving a lot of money. Hit that button right now and hit the subscribe button. Subscribe today. You'll see other great videos that I have for you in store very soon. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.